We'll see now the lookup formula. So we have two tables here, one with the unique ID number and name of the HRG. Now we have in the column F we have the unique ID number. Now how to retrieve the name based on the unique ID number. So for 16 we have a name ID FCC. So how do we retrieve this name into this cell? So for that we'll have to use the vlookup formula. vlookup means it's a vertical lookup. That's the reason it's called vlookup. We have hlookup also for looking up horizontally, that is the rows. Then first is asking the lookup value. So what is the value we want to look up? We want to look up for this value, that is 16, comma, where is the table array? So this is our table, column A to B. So this is the table we have selected, and again comma, what is the column index? So in our table we have two columns, column A and B. So column A, the index of column in this selection, the index of the column A is 1 and B will be 2. So we have to enter the column index as 2. Then again we enter the comma here. A range lookup, we have to enter 0 or 1. 0 is for the absolute value, we will enter 0. So enter. Yes. So now we can see it has, based on this ID, it has pulled the name of the HRG in column G. So similarly, if you copy and paste this down for 22, it has copied DBFCA is the name. So this is how we use the vlookup formula to look up for the values. In the later exercise we may see that we may have to use the vlookup function in many of the places we may have to use to get the values based on the ID number. Yes. So one thing we have to remember when we have selected the table here, when we select the table, the value that we are looking up should be the first column. So in this case the ID number is the value we are looking up. So ID number should be the first column. That is important when we are using the vlookup